And we are back. Let's have a look in the fridge. Oh! We've got some special bunches made up. Someone's wedding or something gay. But they're very pretty. That's all our flowers, by the way, too. So that's a mix of all that gayness. Better grab some of these for my mum, I reckon. Later, though. Right, I just want to show you one other thing. What this one? Hey, what this one? Looks like a dinosaur egg on a stick or something. I don't know. But there's lots of them. Right. Let's go. Oh, next video will be the fruit. I've only just got here, so it's, I don't know, 10 to 4. Let's go.